The Vispal Mini Projector is your ultimate home theater companion, delivering crisp full HD 1080p visuals that transform any space into a cinematic oasis. Its portable design, complemented by a sturdy tripod, ensures seamless outdoor entertainment. With wide compatibility across Android, iOS, Windows, TV sticks, HDMI, and USB devices, it's the perfect gift for immersive movie experiences anytime, anywhere. The Laptop Cleaning Kit Keyboard Cleaner offers comprehensive maintenance for your devices. Specifically designed for MacBook, iPad, iPhone, and more, it includes brushes and tools to ensure thorough cleaning. From keyboards to camera lenses, this kit provides precision cleaning, while the computer vacuum tackles dust and debris effectively. Keep your devices pristine with this versatile cleaning solution. The retractable car charger revolutionizes on-the-go charging with its 100W power output and versatile compatibility. Featuring retractable cables, each extending up to 31.5 inches, it offers convenience without the hassle of tangled wires. Equipped with 2 charging ports, it caters to both iPhone and Type-C devices simultaneously, ensuring efficient charging for your devices. Compatible with a wide range of models including iPhone 15/14/13/12 Pro Max, XR, iPad, Samsung, and Pixel, it's a must-have accessory for modern commuters. Whether you're on a road trip or navigating the urban jungle, this charger keeps your devices powered up, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Its compact design and sturdy build make it perfect for the demands of daily use, while its high-speed charging capabilities ensure you spend less time waiting and more time doing what you love. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety with the retractable car charger. The Blisterance footrest offers versatile comfort wherever you are, whether at work, in the car, or at home. Its ergonomic design provides relief for back, lumbar, and knee pain, promoting better posture and circulation. With 2 adjustable heights, it accommodates various seating arrangements, ensuring personalized comfort. The washable cover adds convenience and hygiene, making maintenance a breeze. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to relaxation with this essential footstool. Whether you're working long hours at your desk, commuting in your car, or lounging at home, the Blisterance footrest enhances your comfort and well-being. Its sleek black design blends seamlessly with any environment, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting support. Invest in your comfort and health with this versatile footrest, and experience the difference it makes in your daily life. The Tile Slim 1-Pack is your go-to solution for keeping track of essentials. Its slim design fits perfectly in wallets and attaches easily to luggage tags. With a range of up to 250 feet, it ensures you can find your items with ease. Plus, it's water-resistant and compatible with both iOS and Android devices, making it the ultimate item locator for peace of mind on the go. Cool Fidget Gel Pens offer a creative outlet with added functionality. Their innovative design incorporates fidget features, enhancing focus and relaxation while writing. With smooth gel ink and a variety of vibrant colors, they make writing an enjoyable experience for all ages, whether at work, school, or during leisure time.